We're here in San Antonio, Texas, visiting our good friends Mary and Mike. You might remember them from our Italy videos and from some Texas videos as well. Well, we're here at their home in San Antonio, and we're going to see how Mike does his pork roast.
Pulled pork.
Mike, pulled pork, excuse me.
Barbecue
All
pulled
right,
pork.
Mike.
We're going to do a brisket, but we don't have enough time. First thing you need is some hopadillos. True Texas beer, because this is going to take a while, so you can make sure you got plenty of beer on hand. To start it out, normally I would use almost all wood. I like to use post oak because, like I said, I use all wood. I don't usually use charcoal, and it doesn't give it as much of a smoky flavor or over smoked flavor like mesquite wood. But today I'm going to use the charcoal because my wife doesn't like smoky as we do. Got the pork on there. It's been on for a couple hours already. Use my apple cider spray. I don't have my mop.
How long will this have to cook?
This one is going to probably take 7 to 8 hours. Yeah, let's let it set for an hour. De-juice. Oh, I'm just pulling the fat off. I always use forks. It's so much easier just to use my fingers. Plus I go just like that.
Hon, don't eat it all.
Turned out really well.
I mean, we want some
Okay.
good.
We're his
We
fan
need some
club.
drooling.
Yes.
We're the
That's
pulled
fat.
pork fan club
We're
over here.
We're the fan club.
Yeah, what I'm
Pork
going to do now is I'm just going to take
We
it.
love pork pull.
I'm going to pull it apart. I'm going to throw some barbecue and let it simmer while Mary makes her famous potatoes. We're going to use True Texas Mark's barbecue sauce, all natural. It's Whole 30. It's made here in Texas. Guess where I bought it?
HEB.
HEB.
Your lips.
That was a great pass.
Your lips are greasy.
It's pretty good. It didn't get too smoky for you.
Chef can
Get
can
behind
us.
you too.
There he is. With the greasy lips. He's got pork pull grease lips.
Yep.
Pretty
He'd never
hot.
be able to tell you that he hadn't tried some. You would know.